project that we're talking about today is a place to grow, which is a project that was developed by the 14 Plus team for our children looked after, but is also developed to be somewhere safe and enjoyable for our children on care and support plans or in need of protection or homeless as well.
From a practitioner perspective, A Place to Grow has enabled us to really break down some of the barriers between building relationships with our young people. I think the difference that we've seen in our young people can't be underestimated really. I think that we're seeing young people who are much more confident. We're seeing young people who feel a part of something and a sense of belonging. They're building friendships with other young people who access the service as well. It's their area, this is their space, and we're really seeing that they are making the most of this and they are developing this to be what they want it to be.
Well, we've been here for years. So yeah, we just like come down, they're like our second home down there. And then like we just ask for them and then like they'll help us whenever we need it. So like we can ask for anyone down here. And then like the same my sisters as well, so they do come down here and ask for help and then they're just there and then they'll help you.
To be a part of it for me has been an absolute privilege. I don't think there's many service managers that could get to be so involved in a project. And I feel tremendously proud of Beth, of the whole team, because they've had a vision, they've seen the vision, and they've delivered on the vision. And I am heartfelt. I'm so very, very proud of them, really proud.